Bobby is the first horse with a green halter. This one looking at me is
Mabel. That's Mabel with
Mabel,
with the jagged
dark color halter. The light color halter, the smaller horse.
That's Bobby, I think.
This is Bobby on my left.
I told you. No, I'll tell you what. You can ask about it anytime and you can see him online. We don't work with any recipes that I can't follow up on the horses anytime.
Maybe later on I'll be able to take care of it.
Hello. Close up draft horse. Hi, Becky. Hey, Bobby.
$1,000 to the sales up there. They just paid $6,500 to outbid one from the killers. I don't know why they got in a bidding war, but believe me, they're very well funded. You've seen the pictures of that rescue. It's a good rescue. And up there's so many people with money. They get very well funded.
Now, what was this middle horse's name?
This one right here?
Right here.
No, that's Dolly.
Dolly. Bobby, Dolly, Maple.
That's right. Mabel's
Bobby,
behind Bobby.
Dolly, and Maple. Mommy Maple,
Maybe
Dolly.
got a black, shiny black hawk.
Okay, I got them three.
Okay.
All right, here's
Roxy's got the crooked ear.
Roxy has the crooked deer.
Well,
She's got the white on her.
Remember her
The white on his hair.
is the white on her neck.
And that's Roxy.
Yeah.
That's Roxy.
Has the white on her neck.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the other one is
The other one's
Pat. Pat, okay. Pat, Roxy.
two first ones.
Dolly, Mabel.
They don't may think that.
See, Dolly on this end, left. Mabel.
I could have kept.
Oh, I know.
Yep.
Dr. Dallas said your family was just pressuring you to give them up. You, just like